I think it's safe to say that we are going to be needing those fans.
All of the fans, all of the help we can get. I mean, I was just telling Aaron during break, it would have been nice to have maybe a day or two at most.
When are we going to just have something normal?
Like 80s, you know, and sun. That would have been nice. But, you know, we went right into the summer heat, right out of those showers and thunderstorms last day of June, and it is feeling like we are well into the July months right now. Yeah. Really no end in sight. So we need to take these precautions. Heat advisory for today. Tulsa, we're not under this. Northeast Oklahoma is not under this, but Montgomery County up in Kansas is. So we're going to touch on this because I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we see a few counties highlighted later this afternoon in our area from the National Weather Service. They're really watching this closely. Heat index values up to 106 for those counties shaded. But I want to show you what we're looking at for those feels like temperatures this afternoon. I mean, we're looking anywhere between upper 90s to around 100 in a lot of spots. And a change, just a slight change in this forecast as we go into the morning and afternoon could change that trajectory of those heat advisories for today. So even though we're not under it, still take those heat safety precautions, as we will see more than likely a lot of areas popping up with that 100-degree feels like temperature later on today. Already 80 degrees. It's very warm and it's already breezy, so that's going to set the bar for what's in store today. 72 for that dew point. That's up from what we had yesterday. We were hanging out around 70. I know not a big difference, but enough to make it feel a little bit more muggy out the door. 94 degrees was that high yesterday, and we're on tap to do that again for today. Looking at 79 down towards Eufaula already, 80 over towards Wilburton, 81 in Sallisaw, 79 right now in Pawnee. Those temperatures will be into those 90s by this afternoon. Hot and humid conditions, no changes there. South winds 10 to 20. Those are down just a notch from what we had yesterday. We had those sustained about 15 to 20. We're looking at those wind gusts upward of about 25 miles per hour today. 94 for that high temperature. 91 is that average. It's those feels like temperatures that are adding to that danger zone as we go throughout this week. And that's what's making it feel even hotter, especially after all that recent rainfall that we've had. That's only adding to these temperatures, making it feel even hotter out there. South winds again are with us for today, 20 to 25 miles per hour. Keeping those pretty consistent as we go throughout. 78 for that overnight low. I do want to point out there are some showers that want to develop out towards the west. What we call these are ridge riders. So they're riding along this area of high pressure that's keeping us dry, keeping us hot, but where you could see that fine line that does impact the panhandle, which desperately needs that rainfall, and we're watching things closely. So that's what we're looking at for that precipitation today. That will stay out of our area, although you're wanting to see some green. I do believe that will remain just out towards the west. We do have some cloud coverage in the area out towards the west. Could see some high passing clouds throughout the day today, but again, filtered sun will be rare. 95 here for Tulsa for tomorrow, 93 to Pryor, 93 over to Grove. We go a touch hotter, and yes, I do anticipate heat advisories easily in the forecast tomorrow, as we do see our planner with those southerly winds still involved. Could notch up about 25 to 30 miles per hour for those wind gusts. Warm morning. I don't need to tell you that twice. You're probably hearing your AC running right now in your house. 91 as you're heading home from work, very similar to what we had yesterday. Still take those heat safety precautions, although we do not have any heat advisories in the area. As we look towards 4th of July, still keeping things dry, keeping things hot. We could see our first 100-degree actual temperature reading of the year on 4th of July. So Mother Nature is sending off her own firework display with those heat index values likely to climb into those extreme heat warning categories.